Entrepreneurs. So I have a video where I talk about the numbers don't lie. And whenever I'm talking about the way you need to do your taxes and about how you do taxes for not just right now, but for later on, let me explain something to you. All of your numbers, whenever you go to get a loan, whether it be a working capital loan, you may need money to expand your business, you may be getting ready to buy a house, which is why you do not want to have your business and your personal together. But whenever you get ready to get a loan and you write everything off, because that's what we've been told, right? You talk to people at the barber shop, you talk to people in the beauty shop, you talk to friends. People are always talking about, oh, that's a tax write-off. Hold on to that tax receipt. Hold on to this receipt for money. Or if you go talk to somebody, you can write your meal off. You hear all of those things. And trust me, most of those things are true. Notice I didn't say all. But the key is that you're not in business to just write off taxes. You're in business to make money. And if you want to expand, you've got to show that your business makes money. You cannot have one tax return where you make no money and then submit another one where you show the money. People are on trial for that now. They are being indicted for that kind of behavior. So whenever you're doing your taxes, you want to think about what you have coming up. You want to understand what you're going to do in the future, which is why I'm explaining that those numbers must match. You can't afford to write everything off. But when you have your business on your personal return, that's exactly what you're going to do because you don't want to be stuck paying the IRS. That's why two things. Number one, you don't wait till January or February to do your taxes. Number two, you're having bookkeeping and you're having somebody to guide you all year. Whenever clients come to me during tax season and say, hey, I want you to make sure you give me all the discounts and all the breaks that the rich people get, I immediately tell them that wealthy people, they don't look at their money once a year. A wealthy man, a person of riches, a person of business is watching that money all the time. Have you ever noticed that if you got two people, the one who is pretending and two people in the same situation getting ready to make a purchase, the one who is pretending that they have money will be afraid to talk about it. They'll be afraid to ask how much it costs because they don't want people to think they don't have money. The person with money starts out negotiating because he knows that if I don't negotiate, then I can lose what I have, I can overpay, I can be overzealous, and I can end up with something that I can never recoup my money back from because they're always thinking investment and distribution rather than just spending. And there's a difference. When you are distributing funds, you are giving funds out or paying funds out, based on people that you owe, based on investments, based on things coming back. As an entrepreneur, me writing somebody a payroll check, that's an investment because there I am paying into someone who is taking care of my business. But if I'm an entrepreneur and I see a little money in the bank and I'm spending the money to pay my bills and doing fancy trips, I am no longer investing or distributing my funds. I am spending them. And I am not even spending them wisely. Yeah, I said it. What's the difference between you paying yourself, which would be better? So I guess I'm telling you the difference. But pay yourself and then pay your bills from the personal account. All of these things are done throughout the year. They're done with bookkeeping and they're done with somebody like myself. You know, your business coach. If you want to be a GOAT, don't be afraid to get a coach. It's been your girl, the queen bee of doing business better, saying, come on, entrepreneurs, let's not wait till the new year. Let's start now, end strong, start stronger, and let's do business better. Bye-bye.